I thought Barry scored there.
I think he did, didn't he? Oh, obviously not.
Oh, yes, that was good.
I've got Frank Gilbert's match fees there.
All right.
Yeah?
Right, okay.
Is it you collecting them?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Okay.
That's great, thank you.
Lewis is...
Paid up?
Yeah, we paid Mark at the start of the season.
Yeah, that's okay, great, thanks.
Good.
That was good. That'll annoy them. Where is he? I'll ask Barry to do it then. Watch James. Oh, he can't. He's watching his son in the other match. I might have to do it then. If I go into that Mum, Dad will not give it up now. Dad! Mate, you'll have to help him. He's hobbling like a hobbler. Who scored that?
All right, give it, Bonnie. Give it. That's good.